Robogames is the premier event for robotics, not just on the university level or the national level, but on the international level. Held in San Francisco in June 2009, Robogames has received recognition on many different levels, including a spot on ESPN SportsCenter's Top 10 and global recognition when it was labeled the world's largest robot competition by the Guinness Book of Records. In its sixth year as a nationally recognized event, Robogames was host to 7,000 paying spectators and 620 engineers on 169 different teams from 18 countries. Each team competed in at least one of the 51 events held this year, which ranged from player-controlled combat robots to autonomous sumo bots to kung fu androids to a best-of-show chess-playing autonomous robot. Overall, 403 robots participated in Robogames 2009, 6 of which were designed and built by the University of Akron Robotics team. Supported by the IEEE student chapter and the Electrical and Computer Engineering Department, the University of Akron, in its first appearance at Robogames, competed against some of the top competitors in the world. Of their 6 robots, only 2 did not place. The biggest robot of the group was Juggernaut, the 340-pound combat robot. Different team members had different goals for this super heavyweight beast of a machine, and after defeating Fresno State's Kodiak, it fell victim to the still reigning titanium-armored champion Ziggy, who represented Canada at Robogames. In the end, a second-place finish and the pride of knowing that Juggernaut had lasted longer than most of Ziggy's previous opponents was enough to put smiles on the faces of all team members. The team also held down a second-place finish in the ribbon climber competition, coming up just short of a win over the United Kingdom. Z-Tank, one of the team's 2 3-kilogram autonomous sumo bots, brought home a third-place medal, losing to first and second-place winner Brazil, who used magnets to hold themselves down to the steel ring. Finishing in first place was the University of Akron's Maze Bot, which had to autonomously maneuver through a maze in the shortest possible time. Overall, the team brought home 4 medals, 1 bronze, 2 silver, and 1 gold, all while representing the United States and the University of Akron in what was the biggest robotics competition of this young team's robotics career. Adding the Robogames results to a third-place finish in the Trinity College Robo Olympiad competition in March, and a second and third-place finish in the 3-kilogram sumo bot competition at the National Robotics Challenge in April, the robotics team is enthusiastic about its plans for next year.
We won. I mean, this makes up for every single Saturday I've spent with all these people working on this.